Hi, my name is Simon. I'm an XFP engineer at Jadu, and this is a quick video to demonstrate some of the new features coming in Jadu XFP Continuum number 8. So firstly, we've made some improvements to how XFP integrates with the Jadu Universe Search feature. We've added in some new fields searchable, such as page title and extra form metadata. So if we look at the metadata, we can see that there is some metadata set. We've got some keywords, a description, and a publisher set as Jadu. So we could search for "this is a demonstration," and this form will show up again. We could also search for the page title. This feature should hopefully help any customers with a huge number of forms who are finding it hard to locate specific forms that might have similar titles or common words in them. Secondly, we've added a new option for form visibility, which restricts a form so that it's only visible to internal control center users and can therefore only be filled out in the internal forms feature. This has the benefit of hiding the form on the front end. Normally you would have to have set visible to be no for the form to disappear from the sitemap, etc. However, it still would have been accessible to anyone who has the link. Internal forms, however, will not be accessible on front end. Any attempt to view them will result in a 404. If we go to internal forms, we can see that the two forms are listed as normal. However, when we go to example form, this is the only place it would be able to be filled out. You can control the new internal only option in the form details view for any form by simply setting internal only to be yes. Once this is set, the form will no longer be able to be filled in from the front end. The final feature I'd like to talk about is a small change we've made to move the language packs from the web servers in static files into the database in the back end. The reason for doing this is so that in the future we can create a control center page to allow customers to create new language packs and edit existing language packs without having to modify files. As this change is purely back end, users shouldn't notice any difference in how their forms are rendered. If you haven't already got it, you can get the latest release of XFP Continuum from support.jadu.net. Thanks very much.